One of the most common things I hear from homeowners is this. It was working yesterday, and I get it why people say it. Yesterday the house was warm, the air was moving, nothing felt urgent. So when it suddenly stops, it feels random, like bad luck, like something just broke out of nowhere. But here's the truth. Most homeowners never get told. HVAC systems almost never fail suddenly. They fail quietly over years. They still run, they still heat, they still cool, right up until the moment they can't handle the demand anymore. Cold weather doesn't usually cause the failure. Pressure reveals it. The system was already tired, already worn, already struggling. Yesterday just happened to be the last day it could push through. And this belief, it was working yesterday, is dangerous because it creates a false sense of confidence. It makes people think this came out of nowhere. I could have planned for this. I had no warning. But most of the time, warning signs were there. Strange noises, short cycling, uneven temperatures, rising bills, repairs that keep stacking up. They just didn't feel urgent until time took over. And here's where the real problem starts. When something fails under pressure, people stop choosing and start reacting. Options feel limited, decisions feel rushed, costs feel higher than they should. Not because anyone did anything wrong, but because urgency steals clarity. This is why I always say the safest time to understand your HVAC options is when nothing's wrong. Not because you need to buy something early, not because you should panic, but because calm decisions are better decisions. When you understand your system before it fails, a breakdown becomes an inconvenience, not a moment that forces regret. So if your system is still running today, that's not a reason to relax completely. It's a reason to get informed while you still have time to think clearly. That's how to protect your comfort. That's how to protect your choice. And that's how you avoid being pushed into decisions that you didn't plan for. Because real comfort isn't about temperature. It's about confidence. It's about timing. And it's about knowing where you stand before pressure shows up. So, stay comfortable, and please, stay tuned.